What's going on, guys? Today we're about to make the 4Runner a little bit more capable. Got my buddy here, Jason.
What is up?
We're gonna do some suspension work. Today we're just gonna do the front suspension, add a little bit of a lift. Bought these used off Craigslist, and the guy had sheared off the nuts, or whatever they're called. And so we're gonna use the spring compressor to pull this one off, and I'll just grab one off of mine and we'll get that in. I have the rears, but I am thinking about doing a swapping out the axle for a locker, and so there's no real reason to do all this right now. So I guess I'd end up doing it twice if we do the lift now. And so I'm just gonna wait to do the lift whenever I do the rear axle for the locker. So we're gonna get some stuff set up, get ready, get the wheels off, get her lifted up, and then we'll get you back on the video, on the camera. All right, so we're starting off
Too crusty for
grabbing the 3. I swear it's a 14.
It's just there's no finger loosening on any.
Oh no, there's not gonna be a.
It's gonna take the wrench all the way to the last thread.
What was it?
This is a 15.
That's why I have this. Makes life much easier.
Yeah.
So, taking these 3 top off to get these. Yep, there they are, and they're 15s apparently.
Yep.
All right, so next,
I'm guessing
this
a
big old
19.
boy.
Oh, on the money.
So it's a 19 there.
You have another 19? Or is this welded?
That break the. Oh, nope. And it's not spinning, so that's good news.
Oh,
Now it is.
that's cool. We can put the socket on the other side. More power.
Well, that was quick. All right.
Is it gonna be one of these?
No, I think it's gonna be and then screwdriver.
Yeah.
Try that. I brought this too, just in case.
This would probably be less damaged.
Out she goes.
Oh shit.
And you all right?
Oh, I bashed my wrist. All right. Victim number 1.
All right, on the driver's side. So glad that I did the penetrating fluid. Apparently the guy that did the last one did not do that. I was about to say, is it time to get bloody knuckles? Okay, this time don't use your hand to, you wanna just like use the hammer? Use the hammer and
Primer.
all right. That is 2.
So, passenger, driver.
Identical height.
Dang it!
I think they're the same, honestly. I really do.
Just in case they look again. The same orientation that they were on the truck.
All right, so now we get to use the strut spring compressor.
I think you might have to take it apart, like take it off of the rod.
All right,
There it goes.
that's why you have smart friends. Maybe.
I thought of everything.
Not too close to the top.
I think so.
Okay.
We'll be able to get it with a wrench.
So let me show you kind of what's going on real quick. So on these, this nut here needs to obviously come off of this so that we can pull this top cap off. But when you try to just loosen it, this whole shaft in here spins because it's kind of free inside of the shock itself. So they have these little areas for you to clamp onto and then try to loosen it here. But this looks, because it's used, I think it's a little bit rusty. I think it's gonna be a bit difficult. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit and start on the passenger side putting the new shock in. Say maybe the impact too,
Oh yeah, actually.
because it'll at least.
Get some jarring in there.
Spinning?
Yeah.
Jeez. You can probably do the.
You just got to get real medieval on the vice grips on the end of it. Look, real medieval.
You want to just use the. I bet you that'll
Oh
come
yeah,
off.
that'll zip it now. Maybe.
Nope. But you can hold that with the vice grips. Nope. Not happy.
Really wants to stay together with his buddy. We're gonna be together forever.
Well, that makes me happy.
Do you have any wire wheels? We should
Uh,
probably clean up these threads before we put the next bolt on it. In the future, it'll be for garbage bin.
All right, so we kind of messed up and didn't mark or keep where we had it, and so we had to go back and measure it on there so that way it sits in the right place. So the is there a spot for this to sit in there? No, I think it's good. Wherever it is. This part needs to be lined up where you marked here.
Yeah.
So
So
it really is more dependent on this one
just,
up here.
So just make sure the mark on the shaft is totally like straight up and down.
I think
and
we're good here.
I'll make sure that this.
I think we're good right there. So see this mark you made here? That was supposed to line up with this one down, not this one. Forget about this one.
Yeah,
just this one right here.
So all right. So I've got it like perfectly straight up and down. It's just to get everything kind of snug.
Okay, let's take a look at it. Oh, hold on, we want here.
Oh yeah.
Your side is way more powerful. Oh, that sketched me out.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting one to drop so soon.
Sketchy part 2.0. In there. Alright, keep your eyes clear. Oh yeah.
Oh, we
Let me
might.
take a look. And get her tightened it. Oh god, my ears.
Okay. Doesn't want
Doesn't want to work again this time
to
either.
work on that side. 2 out of 3 is not bad, right?
Success. All right, I'm gonna find the torque specs and we'll get back. All right, so the top cap torque specs for those 3 nuts are 47 foot-pounds. All right, and then these over here. All right, feels pretty good. Alrighty.
It's in there.
Oh.
Well, the bottom.
Bottom. Be right back with those torque specs. So the bottom is 100 foot-pounds. All right, nice, nice, nice. Already there.
It was already there. It might be 120.
Yeah, who knows? All right, it's the next day here. We got everything put back on yesterday, and got the wheels back on. The wheels put back on, and let me see what it looks like. Probably got about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of lift off of it. I'm wanting to put 33s on here. I'll likely cut off a lot of this. I'm thinking about building my own bumper, but should give it some more room. Show you the other side. Definitely gave it a little bit more height, but we'll see how everything looks once we get the rear end finished. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. You'll have a good one.